How to see your subscribers on YouTube mobile. If you want to see your subscribers on YouTube mobile, it's actually quite very simple to do so. Now, normally because you can view the subscriber count, but to view who is that subscribers, you can't view them from the YouTube app nor the YouTube Studio app. So what you have to do is simply open your browser. Then just go to studio.youtube.com, and if it asks you to download the YouTube Studio app, then instead you want to make sure to enable desktop site. So enable desktop site from your mobile if you're viewing from your mobile, depending upon which browser you're using. Right on the dashboard, if you scroll here, you'll find an option called recent subscribers. So you can tap on the see all button, and then you'll be able to see all the different sort of subscribers that have subscribed to your particular channel. Now, the name will only show up if they have listed their subscriptions as public, but if it's private, then their name won't show up. But this is the way to do it from mobile. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in our next video.